things, right? Like we're touching the gap here. We're obviously holding it, but like I want to get that, that sniper entry. And the only way you can get a sniper entry is being patient. And it sucks. It really sucks because this thing could just spring up right now, right? I've seen it where it happened yesterday when I was on live on YouTube. It just fucking touched the gap and then it went, right? To the downside. So, it's one of those things. Like I missed it because I was being patient. So, I don't want it to happen every day. But I just feel like this wants to come down to here. But yeah, I'm starting an entry here. I'm not missing this. Just two. If we come down, I'll be adding. I don't even care about the stop right now. I'm gonna put the stop. It's so far away. Um, but I feel like we could come down. I actually want it to come down. I want it to come down so I can get a better average and some bigger size. Come on down. I just don't want it to like hold this level and not go any lower, you know what I mean? And miss it. So whatever, I start small size. My max loss is 500. So whatever, I'm not really gonna go on points. That's gonna be my ending my day. Um, no more trades after 500 loss. Come on down, get down here, touch that fucking line. Okay, we just touched it here. Timing is really good. Let's see here. We get back above. All right, this candle is about to close. Let's see where this candle ends here. Yeah, it sucks that we're down $100, but it's not a big deal. That's 50 points, by the way. Or no, 25 points. Candle close. Yeah, this is gonna be like we gotta leave room for error here. I'm gonna add one. We might still come down and touch this line here. Maybe not patient enough. See what I mean? Like it's just, I want the dip, but it's like, how much do you wait? You know? All right, we touched it. We basically touched it on ES. Should I add another one? Yeah, I'm gonna let it ride. Four is enough. Four is enough. We could come all the way back up to the highs. That'll be a nice trade. There's no sense overdoing it. Holy, I don't want to get wicked out. I'm just pulling these down. Like I said, 500 is my max loss. If the 15-minute closes below one of these yellow lines, and then I'll also be out, but that's 13 minutes away, so gotta let NQ do NQ things. Uh, Kat, Katya, your mic's on. Watch your mics, guys. Thank you. All right, now we gotta get back above that fucking level. Time we at? Going on 11 o'clock. Let's see what way we're gonna push. This is the mackerel, coming into the mackerel. Be I'll be quick on if I get that like negative 500, that'll be the end of my day. We gotta get some buying pressure here. Where is OTE? We could come down to OTE, right? So we gotta, I'm prepared for that. So that's why I'm gonna average. If we come way down to 50%, then I might add again, but I can't see us doing that. We got a lot of support here now, guys. This is the first time we've touched that, and we almost touched it here, which is showing strength, right? If we didn't even do an overshoot, we really didn't even touch that perfectly. So I mean, it is showing us that we still want upside. Just be patient. Ideally, I would like the top of this candle, right? That would be my first, like that the savvy level would be ideally my take profit, but I'm just gonna let the clock tell me what's gonna do what here. Ideally, if we start pumping up and we get above here before 11 o'clock, that would be obviously ideal, right? And then we can maybe just set our break, stop the break even or whatever, and just let it ride. But I also don't want to, leave any profits on the table if we ever get back into profit. But this is the this is what I've been waiting for. So I mean, can't be upset. Whatever happens from here on out is what happens. So I am definitely win or lose because I know this is an 80% win rate. What's happening right now? This has over an 80% win rate. So if I take a $500 loss, that's the 20% of the game I'm playing. So it's not a big deal either way. Just stuck there doing nothing. Oh, there we go. Back into profit. Barely. Break even. Yeah, let's go, Dan. Let's get this thing pumped up above that level. We got to get above that level. I don't want to get slapped down from this friggin' savvy level. Even if we get back up to this level on ES, that would be a nice take profit as well. It's just like trades like this, it sucks because the risk to reward is so skewed. But it's the win rate that keeps you alive, right? And that's why I always have like a $500 um, max, right? So I can make 1,500 bucks easy in a day, a couple of thousand bucks. Like, I mean, if I'm putting on some nice size, it's not hard to do, right? But it's usually 50 points, but in this case, it's just that big move up. Um, we don't, it's just a little further out than 50 points, that's all. That's why we go smaller position size. It's not a big deal. Like realistically, we're not even down 10 points right now. Like, you know what I mean? Like this is normal. This is not a big drawdown. Not a big drawdown. 33 to this was 20 points. We were in 20 points of drawdown, and I'm used to doing 50 points. You know what I mean? So, well, I guess my first position was up here somewhere. So, yeah, it was a little bit more for points, but fuck, this thing's looking heavy. Maybe this is the 20% day. I just don't want it to come out and then like basically stop me out and then go. You know what I mean? I fucking hate when that happens. Well, Savvy's cell continuation cell setup is is working out right now. Right? Well, we did get the touch there. We did get that touch, so we'll see what happens now. See, this should be my entry. You know, you see the difference between, being impatient and then patience? Do you guys see the difference? So, damn. Come down and hit this level maybe, and then bounce. Damn, bro. This is trading. But like I said, I'm prepared to come down to OTE. I'm only in $280, $300 in drawdown. That's not a lot. It's not a lot. The only shit part is we gotta come back up that much just to break even. That's the shit part. So, is that right? Nice. That's good to hear. Yep, I agree. I just don't want to add and then you'd be in my max drawdown. So I'm at a maybe right at that touch, the level and 50%. That's kind of like an ICT level model too, right? Let's see what we do. Get one more add in right down here maybe. And then we rocket ship up. I just don't like how we do it. This yellow line down here is another line of support, but I definitely don't want to come down there. Yeah, see, I'm getting closer and closer to my max. There's the level touch. I don't like the timing right now. We're pushing down and there's 4 minutes left. If I add now, it's gonna put me in max drawdown, like pretty fast. I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out, guys. I definitely don't want to get below this line here. Damn, bro, I'm getting smoked. That's what, it doesn't matter your win rate, right? Like, there's no one system that's like 100% win rate, right? See, we're getting down there. It's getting to the point where it's like no bueno. Yeah, I just gotta let this chill out. This is gonna be a long effing trade now. That was a nice touch though of that 25 6 7 5. That would have been a nice I'm not gonna enter again because I just don't want to get I don't want I'd rather just whatever if I get back up to even break even and you know get a couple dollars of profit. This thing could rocket ship now, so that might have been that will probably was the rebalance, but I'm just not going to add risk because if I get even one, like even two more micros, one more dip down, it's gonna stop me out. So I'm just, you know what, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not gonna put on any more risk because I am. That was almost, fuck, that was like a lot of points in drawdown. So, do we? Trader Daddy, my man. How you doing? Just sitting in some drawdown at the moment. Yeah. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's definitely different, eh? You stream on YouTube too, right? It's different. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, because people on here, I feel like we're a family in here, you know, and we're so supportive of each other and but on oh, I can't honestly, I love haters. I am like an advocate for haters. I love them. Like I'll give them support. Like they won't even, I'll probably go follow them and give them support and stuff. Like yeah. Yeah. Wow. Yep. Yes, sir. I re- Nice. No, I don't really have a set schedule right now. I am trying to do like daily, and but it's just one of those things where I'm just kind of like um just finding the groove. I don't really have like a set schedule right now. When I plan on doing lives here, I'll probably do it like earlier there, and then if I'm not live here, I might do like after Brad's done his live, something like that. So, but I am gonna try to do daily. I just don't have the times worked out yet. Oh yeah, yep. Did he? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I love the hustle. Like, I mean, yep. No, yep. I agree. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yep. No. No, there's some people here. It's going on like yeah, well over a year. Like, the day ones. It's been a while. Yep. You're already making it, bro. You're already making it. Yep. Pino is my man. Yep. Yeah, no, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool feeling for sure. All right. Yeah. Yep. I'm right at my max drawdown here for the day. I just hit it there once. I'm just gonna leave these stop orders where they are, and if they get hit, they get hit. That'll be the end of my. Well, it's we've been coming up. I'm sure you've noticed on NQ we have like this wedge forming, right? We've been consolidating. So I mean, we came up close. We're at the top of like right here is the top of the wedge, and I was anticipating us coming up and like touching that, right? But yeah, it's not looking. It's looking like we kind of topped out on the range, and we're gonna probably head back to at least the middle and bounce around now. It's just yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here. Oh, is he? Yeah, I'm all out of that, guys. Yep. Yeah. Well, yeah, it's old Trumpy boy. He's a weapon. I love him though, to be honest, but he's a different kind. Yeah.